If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Cherokee High Altitude in Velvet Red. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 6,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6617.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.